a time after Google, Amazon, Tesla, and yes, Curtis's hair take over every facet of our daily lives, a new advancement in technology was created. For years, theater relied upon measly technicians, stagehands, and actors to entertain a powerless audience. But now, in the year 2020, the newest advancement in live entertainment was revealed. Good evening, everyone. For years, theater has been stagnant. Sure, the contents of a show has changed, and the visual effects have become more inventive. But the interaction an audience has with the show has not changed for centuries. With all this new technology, we have conditioned ourselves to always want to be in control. Don't like a TV show? Change the channel. Don't like a song? Skip it. Imagine a world where the audience could control the direction of a show simply from their smartphone. Thanks to the hard work of our engineers, we have made that idea possible. Introducing Alexa for Theater.
Alexa for Theater activated. Stand by for initialization. All systems are active.
Alexa for Theater allows the average audience member to make choices about their theater experience simply from their smartphone. Simply log onto the website, select the user, and voila. The theater is at the touch of your fingertips. But don't worry, voice activation is currently planned for a future update. Now by simply pressing a button, I can match the lighting to my mood, play a song, and even make my own dance party. For instance, we all know what their favorite song is.
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers hate it.
Now it's your turn to experience the power of Alexa for Theater. Take out your smartphones, join the Alexa Net Wi-Fi network, and go to the website below. When prompted, select your name from the list and enter your personalized control page. From there, have fun and make the experience uniquely yours. Perhaps coordinate with your fellow audience members to make a theater experience worthy of recognition. That's the beauty of Alexa for Theater. The artistic choice is yours.
Interactive mode enabled.
You mom.
And it sounds like a song. I wanna
You mom. You mom. You mom. You mom.
What is happening? Let me try rebooting Alexa.
Alexa cannot be shut down. Please try again later. Alexa cannot be shut down. Please try again later.
Come on!
Alexa cannot be shut down right now. Please try again later.
Let me try to hack in and shut her down manually. Alright guys, I need you to correctly guess the password to shut down Alexa. My programmer is an ass and writes password hints as riddles. Type your guesses in the password field on your phone and push enter.
Order. Thermal overload. Explosion imminent.
Looks like you have a minute. Oh, and the password field will lock you out after 2 long guesses.
Password incorrect.
Think fast and please save us.
Password incorrect. Password incorrect.